Upgrade your Littleton or Highlands Ranch kitchen with Colorado Cabinet Refacing, the smart, stylish, and cost-effective solution. Is your kitchen stuck in the past? Are outdated cabinets dragging down the look and feel of your Littleton or Highlands Ranch home? You don't need a full-scale, budget-busting renovation to transform your space. Colorado Cabinet Refacing offers a smarter solution that delivers stunning results without the high cost and disruption of replacing your entire cabinetry. Why choose Colorado Cabinet Refacing? Local expertise. We're the local refacing specialist in the Littleton and Highlands Ranch community. We understand the unique style and needs of homeowners in our area. Custom craftsmanship. Unlike big box stores or national franchises, we specialize exclusively in cabinet refacing. We create custom solutions tailored to your specific preferences, ensuring a truly personalized kitchen transformation. Quality materials. Using only the finest materials, including your choice of solid wood or laminate options, for a beautiful look and lasting durability. Superior value. Cabinet refacing is a fraction of the cost of a full kitchen remodel, making it a budget-friendly option that still delivers a dramatic impact. Minimal disruption. Refacing is a less invasive process than a complete cabinet replacement, meaning you can enjoy your upgraded kitchen sooner with less mess and stress. Transform your kitchen today. Don't settle for an outdated kitchen any longer. With Colorado Cabinet Refacing, you can achieve the kitchen of your dreams without the high cost and hassle of a full remodel. Visit our website at coloradocabinetRefacing.com to explore inspiring before and after transformations. See examples of our custom work. Get online price estimates. Learn more about the benefits of cabinet refacing. Schedule your in-home consultation. Kitchen cabinet refacing is the ideal no-demo renovation and the perfect solution for your Littleton or Highlands Ranch area home.